Yo, morning guys. All right, just pulled up to Patterson Park. They got a little mini ramp here that I'm pretty sure skaters fundraised for to get built in this park, and which is kind of crazy because right next to it you can see is a little basketball court. I'm pretty certain that those basketball players didn't have to fundraise to get the park built, but still it's really cool to see skaters probably building it and also fundraising and skating for it. And it's cool that the city or the town or whoever was in charge worked together and allowed them to build it in the park. So that's cool. I just like seeing this stuff, coming to check it out. Yeah, perfect mini ramp in the park. I feel like we could use way more of these, just like plopping them around. Nothing crazy, nothing too expensive. The only problem here is the concrete starts to erode, it seems like, and like, how do you fix that? Because a concrete ramp is awesome, but you ever go to a concrete park and it just like, maybe it's 20 years old or something like that, and it just like steals all of your energy, just like that. I don't know what it is. It's like you don't feel as confident when you're grinding because it's very gritty and grippy. Also, the slams feel like they'll hurt more. So there's just something about it as the concrete erodes. So is there a way? I don't know. I don't do much concrete work, but is there a way to just put a quick layer over it? Or does it, will it not stick? Will it crack more? Does it make the coping more recessed? All things to consider, but overall, I don't know. I'd like to see another option for some of these parks, because as I'm traveling around and seeing them all, it's like, there's concrete parks that get used less and less as the years go on. So like, what's the more long-term sustainable version of that? I don't know. But I do know this ramp looks pretty fun, and yeah, I gotta warm up. I'm feeling tight. Gotta have at least one a day. For some reason, that trick is just way harder than it needs to be for me. I mean, this ramp isn't helping. It's actually like a decent size, and the big coping plus the concrete being a little more grippy definitely makes it more intimidating. But still, like, I've done it on all different ramps, and I don't know, for some reason that one just feels awkward. This ramp kind of reminds me of the skate park I used to work at years ago called Oil City. They had big coping just like this, and I remember everyone would complain. Like, that would come there, either it was too slick because indoor parks just like a little extra slippery, or the big coping, and everyone had trouble locking in. And I completely get it. But after working there for a while and getting used to the big coping, I actually found it made a lot of tricks much more easy, like back smiths or feebles, because you got so much more to lock onto. It's kind of like you're just like on a flat bar, So while it's harder to get used to that motion of like smashing your wheels over the big coping, I mean, in some cases it makes it easier. All right, nice quick session. I'm not going to go too hard because I have a podcast today going on. It's called Not Today, Pal podcast. So I'm doing that, kind of take it easy for now, and then go skate a little bit later. How's it going? How are you?
Hi, Reed. Nice to
Chad,
meet you.
nice to meet you. How's it going?
Come on in. Make yourself comfortable on the couch over here. Get you something to drink, water, coffee,
Cool.
soda.
Yeah, I'm all good, thanks.
All good? All right.
How you feeling today?
Good, good. How about yourself?
Nice, doing good.
It's a nice day out. Well, it's cloudy, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's nice for me. I'm coming from New York, so everything's an improvement.
Yeah.
Basically.
It's freezing over there. Huh?
Yeah. What's up? How's it going?
Dude, thank you so much
Nice
for
to
doing
meet
this,
you.
man. Yeah,
Thanks
this is
for having me.
Jamie.
Hi,
Chad.
Chad.
How are
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Nice to meet
How's
you
it going?
too.
So we do the pod together, and I've told her nothing about you.
Oh, really?
So it's cool
Nice.
because like then the people who are listening who don't know anything about you will
Yeah.
be just on her, like, but then I know
I'll be like
everything.
the
Yeah,
audience.
the same
Yeah.
genuine interest to ask
Amazing.
questions. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'm super excited, man. Thank you so
Oh
much
yeah,
for doing this.
yeah, I'm psyched.
How's Austin?
It's awesome. I love it here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't potted since like December 8th or something.
Oh, yeah?
Because we went to California for our holidays and shit, so we haven't. It's been a while
Nice.
since we've been here, right?
Welcome
Yeah.
back.
Yeah.
How's it going?
What's up, dude?
Chad.
Tanner.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, bro.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
What's up, bro? Doing good. How you doing?
Good.
Hi, Jamie.
Yeah, we're right back here.
You guys ready?
Ready. We had a little warm up last week, you know, alongside each other, and now
Yeah.
Nice, nice setup here.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah.
ready to
I don't know if you know the guys who do like the podcast here, like Tom Segura
Yeah,
and Christina.
yeah.
So they have like all these. They have like crazy.
Yeah. No,
they're-
it seems like a real deal setup
Yeah,
here.
they do it right.
Yeah.
You do any more Kill Tonys yet, or what are you doing?
A lot of comedy, honestly. I've done the spots at Mothership.
You're too big time now. You're
Yeah,
you know,
big guy.
He's
Yeah.
proved
Big
himself.
shot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Everything's
So much
changed.
to talk about.
Everything's changed, James.
Alright guys, just finished up the pod. Went really well. They were super nice. I mean, I had a great time in there. It was fun always just going over the whole trip, and especially hearing it from, you know, the questions from someone who's never, you know, doesn't skateboard, hasn't seen the trip, doesn't know of me. Yeah, I always love just going over it and like hearing other people's perspectives on it. But yeah, that was really fun. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Yeah, let's go find somewhere to skate now. Do you mind if I film you and do a line?
No, not at all.
Alright, cool.
No.
Nice.
Just hope I don't fall.
What was your name?
Morgan,
Chad. Oh, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Ted. I took like a good 8-year hiatus because I just kept breaking shit.
Oh,
So I
really?
stopped- Yeah.
Like what?
I've broken my wrist so many times, so many times, and so I took an 8-year hiatus, and then I started skating again in 2022, and immediately broke my elbow within and then the next year it was my rib,
Really?
and then the year after that I tore the ligament in my hand.
You're still going at it.
I love it, honestly. It makes me feel so good.
I love it. Yeah, there's nothing like it.
Yeah, I love snowboarding and wakeboarding, but I don't have a friend with a boat anymore, and I rarely get to go snowboarding unless I go to New Mexico.
Yeah, skating's a little more accessible.
So accessible.
Especially around here, probably.
Yeah. Yes. What's your Instagram that you post photos on?
It's Chad, C-H-A-D. Caruso, C-A-R-U-S-O.
Is it underscore Caruso?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, dude, you have a shit ton of followers. Is that you and fucking Tony Hawk?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. And you have a little blue check. That is pretty cool.
Yeah, I only had to skate across America to get it.
That's so cool. Did you drive or did you literally?
No, I pushed 3,100 miles
Oh my god.
completely solo for 2 months.
Did you have a tent or did you just stay in a hotel?
My goal every day was to skate to a hotel, so it'd be like 50 miles, 80 miles, but that was like my mission every day.
Holy shit.
And I daily vlogged every single day. So I go to the hotel, ice up, charge up, edit
Yeah.
the video, upload it on Wi-Fi, and then rinse and repeat.
Dude,
For 57
your
days
legs
in a
must
row.
be solid. Like that is.
Yeah.
I can do a fair amount of pushing, but I usually did you have like a short board like this or did you
So
have
I
a
used
cruiser?
it was like a hybrid. It was like
Yeah.
basically a skateboard like this, but with a little bit bigger wheels.
Okay, at least
Yeah.
you had that.
Yeah, softer wheels because the ground got so bad in some spots.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure. Were you just like on like back highways and shit? there
Sometimes
couldn't-
I was on highways with trucks going 70 miles an hour with no shoulder directly at me.
Oh my god.
And then other times, yeah, like in the middle of nowhere, basically gravel
Oh my
ground.
god.
Yeah.
Did you get hurt?
I had a couple of little slams, but I was pretty careful bombing hills and stuff like that.
Okay.
And I had a moth fly in my ear when I was bombing the hill, like this big. Got stuck in there. I skated with it for 2 hours, flying around in my head. And viewers were coming out and meeting me. I was shaking their hands, talking to them. They skated
And you
with me
had a
miles. Yeah.
moth in your ear.
And they didn't even care. I like bring it up, and they just keep talking, telling me a story. Like, hanging out.
That's so cool, but that is
Yeah.
like my literal worst nightmare that like something would fly in my ear.
I never had anything like that happen, so I didn't know if it was like unsafe. Like I was kind of unsure, but
Yeah.
at the same time, I was like, all right, I just have to keep skating because what else am I gonna do? I'm just stuck here.
Yeah, where are you gonna go? I mean, like, the only thing you could do is like call 911.
Yeah. No, so I went to urgent care
Yeah,
3 hours later, and they flushed it out, and got video of it and everything.
that's gnarly. That is so gnarly. But that's cool, dude. That's a super cool story.
Thanks.
Very rad.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, man? I'm Frankie.
Chad, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
How's
man.
it going?
Wow,
Nice.
what an adventure you're on.
Oh, thanks, man. You from around here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Nice.
Been here since '94.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Nice. Let me get a couple of clips of you?
sure. All right.
Hell yeah. Take that. Yeah. That was awesome. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna cash out while my knee is still feeling halfway decent. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.